So I don't want to get rid of things that I shouldn't. I'm already regretting this. Hi everyone, I'm coming to you from the future. I got to take a shower and my kids are sleeping. They're taking a nap, which is so nice. My favorite part of the day. But I wanted to come on today and do a decluttering video. So earlier this morning, I decluttered my accessories. So jewelry, a few little hair things, some things that I have here, and a lot of them are keepsakes. I didn't get rid of as much as I wanted to, but I just wanted to come on here and inspire you guys to declutter your space. It's really nice to start with one task at a time. And if you just want to do your closet, do your closet, or just your shoes, or your accessories, your jewelries. If you have books, music, DVDs, things that are just kind of sitting around in your house and taking up space, give yourself a chance to just declutter and make your space just wonderful to be in. Bring in some plants, bring in some things that are beautiful to look at, that make you really happy and make you feel good. So that's my goal for today, is just to inspire you all to do something nice for yourself. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is, this is just a board that I made, I painted, and then I used little hardware like knobs for drawers. This is a cool DIY if you want to do it at home, but that's what I did, and that's how I hang my long necklaces. So I'm going to be getting rid of lots of these. I don't know how many are on here. I'd say maybe 8 to 10 of them. So let's do at least half. I'm not wearing this anytime soon. You know, when you declutter, it's kind of nice because you can pass things on to people who maybe might not have. Can get rid of old things. So some of this stuff is actually getting tossed. This is like a costumey kind of, that's actually pretty. It's a little much, but it's really pretty. Let's maybe keep it. I know some people take their, take like a fake wedding ring or wedding band on vacation. This would be a good one. You could wear something pretty and not worry about losing your real stuff. Another thing is, my ears are not pierced, and I always get gifted every year, either birthday or Christmas. I always get gifted earrings for pierced ears, and so I have tons of them. These are really pretty, but sometimes I can adapt them, like I can add the special hardware to make them a clip-on earring, but with these, unfortunately, I couldn't. So they're gonna be passed on to someone else. Another little DIY thing I made. It's a little dusty now, but this is basically like, you can see it's kind of like a little beveled like plaque, I guess. And these are all, this is actually one wooden dowel, and my husband cut them down to these sizes, these dimensions, and then also across, the beams that go across. And so I'm able to hang things, longer things in the back, sort of medium-sized things, and then little bracelets and all right, so let's see if you can. So as you can see, this is all stuff I'm getting rid of. Maybe we'll make someone really happy. I have a few things in the trash here that are just really old. And again, some of this stuff isn't real. It's like costume jewelry and things like that. So I'm not really interested in holding on to it. Some of these are kind of keepsake things, but yeah, this is what I'm keeping here. Have a lot of cool little African things. All of these things have a story, and I have some silver that's really tarnished, so I need to maybe make a video on how I clean this stuff up. And then my husband's things that have no business here, but they were here. So I also have this box. So let's get into this one. These are some of the little adapters that I use to make clip-on earrings for my clip-on jewelry. So as you can see, like I said, I get gifted a lot of earrings, sets of earrings, and some of them are really cute, but you know, I can't wear them. So this is one pair. These are really pretty. They remind me of kind of like Aztec art. Look at these little bows with crystals in them. So cute. These actually match the blue necklace. So yeah, I just use these little adapters. Use some little O rings, circular rings, and I'll attach them to the adapters. And I have also, you know, I have gold ones and silver tone ones. So that's how I adapt my jewelry if I choose to do so. These were a gift from a really good friend. They're so cute, little pennies. So they are for pierced ears, but I have a different way of adapting these. So I think I'll make a video about how I adapt my earrings. If you don't have pierced ears and you like to wear earrings, or if maybe your ears are damaged or you can't wear pierced earrings anymore, I'll show you how to make them clip-ons. Look at these, like 80s. I might keep those. Those are so cool. See, you don't realize all the things you have. These are some other earrings from that same friend who gave me the penny ones. So cute. They're little Barney Rebels. Alright, so this is what I'm keeping. These are earrings. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. My goodness. That's about 28 pairs, 27. But some of these are keepsakes. I don't wear these, but someone really special gave them to me. So there are some things that I just won't let go. I used to go thrifting with my mom a lot, and my mom passed away not too long ago, and so these are some finds that my mom and I found together. So there's some things that I won't let go of, but I have gotten rid of a lot of things. Another thing from a really good friend, nice lady who mentored me. So these things, I won't get rid of. So I'm keeping this box. There's some pins in here, my speech pins, and some more keepsakes that I have that are special. This gaudy little ring, flashy ring that I might wear, I might give away. Alright guys, I just wanted to wrap this up quickly. My kids are getting a little restless. So you guys saw all the earrings. These are pins, my ring, my beautiful necklace from my mentor. Now these are like keepsake things. This is a little fitness watch that I really want to start using again. So some hair things. This is my silver, and then these are just like little costumey rings. I'm not gonna wear that. So I might not even wear this either. So this always happens when I'm decluttering. I'll go through and kind of look at everything again and just decide that no, I'm not keeping this. I don't know what it is. I guess I just have to take like a second look and I figure it out. So that's this box. That's it here. And I did end up keeping this guy. And I'm looking again. I think pearls are so pretty, but I I haven't worn these. I don't think I'll wear them. And I think, you know, someone who does like wearing that kind of thing will enjoy it. So I'll do that. I think that's it. Let me get in some better light here. This is trash, and this is all the stuff I'm giving away. This is another little ring, like a little trinket thing that I use. I have my wedding rings there and some silver. These are the things that I wear every day. So this is usually in the bathroom. I take them off or put them on during my morning routine. That's a nice little tray. It was a wedding gift, but I won't have any use for it. My DIY board. And this is just my husband's little tie clips and stays for his shirts and cufflinks. So I'll put that more with his things, and that's about it. All right, so that's it. My jewelry and accessories are decluttered. I found some nice little earrings. If you guys saw the video, these are the cutest. I can't believe I haven't been wearing them. I really like quirky, like interesting things like this. And so these are some earrings I also got thrifting with my mom when we would go thrifting. So really nice keepsake, nice memory, and I'm gonna enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to declutter your space. Leave a comment down below, like and share this video, and let me know what space you're interested in decluttering, and we'll make some more videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.